Hey everyone, this is Amber Simmons from ambersimmons.com. Thank you for joining me today for another installment of Cricut Design Space 101. Today we're going to be talking about the Align feature. That can be found up here in the top toolbar right next to the Edit button. Let's get started. I'm going to open up some circles. So the Align feature is for lining up your shapes however you want them lined up. Let's just do 4 circles. So select all our circles that we want to line up and then click the drop down Align menu. These are very self-explanatory. There's even little pictures for you. Align left is going to put everything lined up with the left of our shape down here, with the very left side of our shapes. Align center is going to pull everything to the center. Align right is going to pull everything to this right hand side. Align top is going to pull everything up to the highest point. Center vertically is going to pull its center, and then align bottom is going to pull them to the lowest point. You can also center completely, so it'll do a horizontal and vertical center. So if we wanted to line them up all in a pretty row, obviously that's not going to do it. So another feature of the Align is I can pull it out here and I can align them to the top so they're all even at the top, and now they're all even at the bottom because they're the same size. And I can distribute horizontally because I want to distribute this way. If you were lining stuff up in a column, you'd distribute vertically, but I'm distributing horizontally, which spaces them evenly. And there you go. That is how you use the Align feature. I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a big thumbs up and check out my other Cricut Design Space 101 videos. Follow my channel for more tutorials, and I will see you guys next time. Bye everyone.